In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements in Webflow tutorial, easiest way. We'll start right from your Webflow account and end with a clean, confidently organized layout. First, head to your Webflow workspace and open the project you want to work on. From the project card, go into its dashboard, then choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Give it a moment to load. Once you're inside the designer, click on the canvas to focus the page you're editing. You'll see the active area highlight so you know exactly where you're working. Next, let's open the Add panel to understand what you can place and where things typically live before you move them. Click into Layouts to see quick, pre-built structures like sections, containers, and grids. These are great for keeping your page organized and for knowing the typical homes for elements you'll be moving. Switch to the Main Elements view and then drill into Structure. Structure holds the building blocks: section, container, grid, columns, div block, everything that defines where elements can be placed. Understanding this is key, because moving elements is easiest when you drop them into logical, structured parents. Now browse through the other element groups so you know what you're working with. Open Basic to see links, buttons, lists, and more. Visit Typography for headings, paragraphs, and rich text. Check out CMS to understand dynamic content like collection lists. Peek into e-commerce for product-related elements, then media for images and videos, forms for inputs and submission blocks, advanced for embeds and code, and other for additional components you might use less often. With that quick tour, you know which category your element belongs to and which parent it prefers, which makes repositioning smooth and predictable. Return to Structure, and on the canvas, click the highlighted parent wrapper, for example, a section, container, or grid, so you can see its boundaries. Then click the highlighted element you want to reposition. With it selected, look for the in-canvas guides and drop cues as you move it. Keep an eye on the highlighted areas of your section or container. This helps you place the element exactly where it should go, avoiding unexpected shifts. If you're working with text, pop back into Typography to confirm the element type: heading, paragraph, or rich text, so you keep consistent hierarchy as you reposition. Finally, click the highlighted target area one more time to confirm placement and review the structure in the canvas. That's the easiest way to move elements in Webflow. Focus your page, understand the structure, select the right parent, then move the highlighted element into a clearly indicated drop zone for a clean, reliable layout.